Hi, my name is Greg McLean. I'm the Customer Support Training Manager here at Rural Energy Enterprises, and today I would like to talk to you about programming the auto mode on your new Toyostove. Now that we have the proper time and day set, we're going to get a piece of paper and we're going to set our schedule. I like to start out with the weekday first, with when our family gets up. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to push the timer button once, and it's going to give me that P code. Then I'm going to push the set button right there. Okay, now it's blinking down here. Now I go ahead and push my hour button. And so we get up at about 6:15 in the morning. So I'm going to set the stove for 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to push set. Then I'm going to set the temperature that I desire inside my home, which is 70 degrees. By turning my thermostat down to 68 degrees, I can save approximately 10% on my fuel bill at that time. So I'm going to set the comfortable temperature that I want. I'm going to push set. Now I'm going to do the days of the week. Okay, hour moves the days across and minute locks the day in. So I'm going to get up Monday morning, Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, and Friday morning. Okay, we can see that these days are solid, mean that they've been set, and Saturday is blinking. I'm going to go ahead and push the set button. Now I've locked my first code in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and program P2. I'm going to push set. Okay, the house is empty about 8 o'clock in the morning. So here we go. I'm going to go to 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to push set. Now I'm going to push the temperature that we desire inside the home. When the house is vacant, I'm going to go down to 64 degrees. I'm going to push set. I'm going to push my hour button to move the day over. Minute locks Monday in, Tuesday in, Wednesday in, Thursday in, Friday in. So there my days are solid in the weekdays right there. I push set. Now I've locked that program in. The next program that I'm going to want to program in here is when is the house occupied again? When do the kids come home from school? When does the wife come home? Or when do I come home? So once again, I'm going to push set. Okay, I'm going to put our time in. My wife comes home at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm just going to hold my hour button down here and cruise through the AM into the PM. There's 4 PM. I'm going to push set. I'm going to push my hour button to scoot the day over. Uh-oh, what did I do wrong? I didn't put the temperature in there. Okay, so let's start over again here. I've confused it. I'm going to push the power button. Then I'm going to recycle the power. Then I'm going to push my timer button. I'm in the P3 code. There we go. I'm going to set. I want that at 4 PM. And we can really see by the mistake that I just made right there how easy it is to correct from that mistake. I'm going to push set here again. There's my 70 degrees that I want. I'm going to push set again. I'm going to push my hour button over to move the day, push the minute to lock the day in, moving across to Friday. There's my Friday solid, Saturday's blinking, pushing set. Now I've locked in the time that we've come home. So now the next program that I want to set, which is going to be P4, is going to be go to bed time. So once again, I'm going to push set. We go to bed about 10 PM at night. Hold my finger on the button there until she cruises up to that time right there. There she goes right there. There's 10 PM. I'm going to push set. I'm going to put the temperature that we want inside the home, which is going to be 64 degrees. I'm going to push set. Hour button moves the day. Min locks the day in. There we go, Monday through Friday. Push set. Now I've locked in the come home time. So the other programs that we need to have to put in here are going to be for Saturday and Sunday. We have 30 different events that we can program into this particular piece of equipment. I know in the beginning with programming this piece of equipment that it is difficult at the beginning, but the more you do it, the easier it becomes. After I've put my programs in there, I push my set button, I push the on-off button to recycle the piece of equipment, and we're back off in the operation mode again. We push the auto button, our pre-programmed events are ready to go. The Toyostove will take off and run. Thank you.